An Omaha father is already convicted in connection to his 1.5-year-old daughter being shot in the face. Now authorities say he's out and had a gun around her again. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski looks at why prosecutors say a more harsh penalty is warranted.
In 2017, an infant shot in what the father called an accident. While smoking weed, the son of Markel Bowie's friend, only a toddler, gets a gun and shoots the girl in the face.
You won't think that about a 1-year-old getting shot.
These are photos from Facebook of Malaya Bowie before the incident. Now another gun crime involving the father and daughter. Douglas County Judge Thomas Harmon finds enough evidence to move 24-year-old Markel Bowie to trial for felon in possession of a weapon. This is previous video of him. It stems from a July traffic stop near 43rd and Decatur. Police say when they stopped Bowie and his girlfriend, they asked for license and registration. That's when he slowly opened the glove box and they saw the handle of a firearm. All this while his now 3-year-old daughter Malaya, a gun violence survivor, sat in the back seat.
Very disturbing that he still doesn't get that he shouldn't have a firearm.
Douglas County Attorney Don Klein says his previous felony conviction involving his daughter is why they charged him as a felon.
Guns and toddlers make no sense. I mean, so, you know, from a parenting perspective, from any perspective, the fact that a gun is around a young child is not a good thing by any stretch of the imagination, let alone the fact that he's not supposed to have a gun in the first place.
Bowie was sentenced to 3 years in prison in 2017 for negligent child abuse. With good time and time served, he spent 13 months in prison before being released in February. The girl's mother told police she and Bowie agreed to not be around firearms after Malaya was shot. I went to try to speak with Bowie at his home, but he wasn't there. Klein says they take gun crimes very seriously.
Once there is a conviction in this case, the judge is going to be very well aware of what his history is. And that's something that would be an important part of his sentencing.
Reporting downtown Omaha, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.
If convicted, Bowie faces a mandatory minimum of 3 years in prison and a maximum of 50 years.